good people? Good morning. It is day 17 of October, and it's a Friday, and it's our cozy day. I'm so ready for today. So ready. Oh my gosh. Gonna do all my little morning routine stuff, and then I cannot wait what we have in store for today. It's gonna be packed with nothing but relaxing time and just brain off activity, and we're gonna have a really good day. I'm in Texas, Houston, Texas to be exact, and the sun is not even out. Like, definition of a cozy day. Like, it's a little dim. I'm gonna show you all later, but perfect day for the perfect video. And so yeah, so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes real quick this morning because I want to have them done just in case I do something this weekend. I'm not going anywhere today. Staying in all day today. Unless I want to go and get something like a cozy drink or something. I don't know. We'll see. But I don't think I'm going anywhere today, and I am okay with that. I'm so excited. But yeah, I cannot wait. Do my lashes like I said, and then put on a little cozy outfit. And yeah, I'll see y'all later. What y'all think so far? Almost done. Big difference, right? Big difference. I know. Okay, now that we are getting the day started, I'm gonna go ahead and make my water. We'll fill up my water because it's some in there, but I want it to be full with ice and just ice cold. I love ice cold water. And then also I'm gonna make my Nespresso using the cookie butter that I bought yesterday. So let's see how that turns out. Then also I have this pod. I cannot remember what the flavor is to this one, but I'm hoping that it pairs well. I should just start ordering the same all the time, but I always just want to try different things. I need to stop doing that. But yeah, we'll see. And yeah, let's get our day started. It's finally feeling like I can get into my cozy, relaxing day. Okay, I have been gaming for a little while, so I'm going to give my eyes a little rest from just looking at the screen. So I'm thinking about pulling out my book that I bought the other day. So I'm going to do that. I did go and fix myself a little treat. I've been hooked on the smart popcorn, the cheddar lately. I usually do white cheddar, but for some reason I'm just doing like the cheddar cheese and I'm loving it. So of course I got that, and then I've been drinking all my water too as well. It's almost gone. So I gotta go refill that. So I think I'm just gonna get in the bed and read. And so yeah. So just come along. I got my heating blanket too as well. So super cozy like I said. And let's just get right on into it. Okay, I didn't tell you all the name of the book, but if you watched my last video or a couple of videos before, you should have seen that I just purchased it from Target. That was the Target video. Anyway, it's called The Spell Shop by Sarah Beth Durst, and I'm liking it so far. It's about a librarian, and it's like a revolutionary little time happening, and they're setting fires to the library, and she escapes with a lot of books, and that's how far I got right now. But I think I'm gonna love it. So just give me a little time. But yeah, I love it. I am going to switch gears and move to my next little hobby for today. Before I do that, I got a new bookmark from Books a Million. My sweetie bought it for me, and it's so cute. Like, it has like the little crystal with the little gold accent. I love pink. I just love like girly things. I don't know, but I love it. So I got that for this book because I need a new bookmark. I have 2 bookmarks, so I need another one. And also for Christmas, I asked for a Kindle too as well, because sometimes I just want to curl up and just read on my Kindle too. So I want a Kindle for Christmas, so I asked for that. And that's it. So I am going to put this in the book, and then I'm going to switch gears and do some adult coloring. I'm going to show you all the markers that I do have. And yeah, that'll be the next little hobby I get into. It is currently 3:29. Making some progress. This has been an awesome day so far. Talk to y'all in a little bit. I had to come back real quick and show you all how cute this looks. Look at it just dangling like that little rose quartz. Loving it, loving it. And it has like the little tassel at the end. I want another one of these in like a different color. Like, I like these. Oh, I wonder if they have them in like a white color. White with gold? Yes. That would match my little bookshelf I have up on the wall. But I love it. So cute. Love it, love it, love it. All right. Y'all, I know I said I was gonna color next, but I think I want to switch gears and go to my Sudoku book. So I'm gonna go get that real quick and then go to the next thing. Or do I want to color? I don't know. I'm gonna color. No, I'm gonna color. I'm gonna color. And then we'll turn on my TV. Have like a little YouTube or something playing in the background. That sounds like a whole vibe. Let me get all set up because I'm gonna color right here in the bed. I'm loving my bed days. These days make me happy. I feel all warm inside, like just like that. I feel just like that. That little sigh just let out. I'm in heaven. Like, love those days. Let me go get set up for you all. Okay, I am all set up for the coloring session. I do have a little board. It was like a bed table board. You'll see that once I start coloring and everything. But this is my markers that I use from Hulu. It is 120 pack alcohol markers, and I want the big 300. I think it's 320, 360, something like that. That is definitely on my Christmas list. I want those so bad because I need all the colors. And then also I have some color pencils as well by King Art. I just gave him a name. 36 colors. I have that also. And then I have the Grabby alcohol markers, dual tip. They have a fine tip and then that fat tip as well. Fast drying. I love these. Love them, especially like for detail. Love them. And then I got a new coloring book the other day. Well, no, it's been a while. I think it was back in September around my birthday, because my birthday's in September. And I got an adult coloring book. I do have some Ohio, I think is what it's called, coloring books. And I will share those with you all. I'll probably do another video another day, just going over all my coloring books and all the craft things that I do have. So that'll be another video. But this is the book that I have. I got this from Books A Million, and it's a Be Stress-Free in Color. Channel your worries into a comforting creative activity. Love it. And it has some really cool like flowers, like just little things like that. So I tried to color in it one time. I didn't finish it. So, but I picked out a really pretty one I want to show you all today. Is what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. So yeah, super easy. Cannot wait. And I always use, I always use like a cardboard, not a cardboard, but like a construction paper, or what do you call the little papers? I get these from Michael's all the time. I have a whole pack of them. I can't think of the name of them right now. If I wouldn't be recording, I would know the name. I don't know. But I always put these in my books behind it. I don't think I necessarily need it for this coloring book because the pages are really thick. But you just never know using alcohol markers. Okay, you all. So this, I'm all set up. This is the laptop table bed table, craft table, whatever you want to call it, I was telling you about. It's huge. I love it. I was able to fit most of my markers and all that good stuff. So I have my coloring book right here, and the paper I was talking about earlier is cardstock. I told y'all. I knew the name of it. I just got scatterbrained. I don't know what's going on with me today. So I'm just gonna go along with it. I don't know what I want to do. I didn't pick the summer light colors. I think I want to do like the natural neutral colors when it comes down to these flowers. So I'm just kind of gonna go along with it and just see where it takes us. And I already have my TV on, so brain off time, coloring time. Talk to y'all later. Okay, so I took a little break and I went and got me a ice pecan crunch oat milk latte, and I asked for a little caramel syrup around the cup, and it is so good. So I had that, and then on to the next. I'm gonna go ahead and start gaming on my Switch. And so yeah, we're still rocking and rolling with our cozy hobby day. Okay, you all, I am out of the shower now. It is getting down to closer to bedtime. Sorry about the lighting. When I'm in my bed, I don't have any like really good lighting. I'm gonna work on that. But when I'm at my desk or in the kitchen, it's really bright. And here I have like really light little lighting in here, so I'm gonna work on that very soon. But I'm gonna end out my night with a couple of pages of my sudoku puzzle, and then I'll probably finish some more of my book. So I'll do that, and then if I stay up late tonight, I'll go ahead and edit and try to put out this video for you all today. You all enjoy my cozy hobby day. I really enjoyed myself. It's okay to have these kind of days, just to have brain off and just, you know, relax and just have a breather. Just like this sudoku puzzles, it's good for your brain. Like, who said that hobbies cannot be good for you health wise? So I'm gonna work on a link tree so I can link some of the items that I do have if you all are interested in some of the hobbies that I do on a weekly basis. And then I'm also going to work on a very in detail item list, or kind of a show and tell kind of video of all the hobby crafting things that I love to do. I'm a big crafter, hobby girl, been doing it since I was younger. So with that being said, I appreciate you all for sitting and watching this video with me. I'm hoping that you all made it to the end of the video. If you did, leave me a brown heart, and I know you made it to the end. All right, I will see you all tomorrow, Vlogtober, day 17, and I'm out.